I had fun. I learned a lot, seeing the monkeys in action at the Sacred Monkey Forest Sanctuary in Ubud, and now I'm off to see the rice terrace. You're so beautifully designed. So come along. Passion fruit. They're green though. The rice terrace. Oh. It's beautiful. Oh wow. Ziplining over the rice terrace. Do you know why they grow it in the terrace format and maybe not just flat?
Because for irrigation system.
Okay.
Because our water they coming from the top, just for lay down.
Smart. Because then if you do gravity trying to
Yeah, so you need to
get it up.
Big palm.
This is a rice terrace. It's already been harvested. That's why they're dry or look brown, yellow. The green ones, maybe they're just planted. The season is about 4 months, so they do it twice a year. Okay, I'm going to put up my phone. Okay, the irrigation system for the rice field, and that's why they're in a terrace. It makes watering them easier. You don't have to fight against gravity. You go with gravity. Rice belongs to the grass family, so it tends to look like corn, grass, wheat. Oh, and people live up there? I think I saw a structure, maybe not. A sample of rice. And then, oh,
That's the young rice.
the grain is here. Yeah. Yeah. Looks like wheat
Look like.
and grass. Yeah. It's a monocot. This is, wow. Yeah. I would not want to be a rice harvester, but thank you, rice farmers and harvester. It's tedious work. Oh, and this is where the power harvest it and put it in the two baskets.
For men, it will be like this. They put the rice and carrying on the shoulder. Put the rice in the basket. And then
Yeah.
the woman,
Hers is different
they put
in the hat. Got these brave people. Sky bike.
You have to keep balance.
Yeah, my balance isn't very good. Mosquito?
Yeah, so we put the fish.
Smart. There's a baby koi. The cyclists. Nature. Wow. What a pretty color. The purple one, we used to call them pum pum. No, yeah. We used to call them pum pum plant. Yeah, this one is getting ripe. Yeah, there is a red one.
Oh, smile. And the taste.
Oh,
Suck it.
smell like.
The water. Don't keep on the field. Why? Because the sun is so strong.
Oh, it will
The
dry it
water
out.
will be warm. So for the young plant, it's not good. They will be dark. So we have to keep water.
It's very, yeah.
Different when they're getting
From this angle, it's such a stacked. Don't know what it is.